What's up, online shoppers? I've got a great tool for barbecue season. These are the Alpha Grillers meat shredder claws, and they are awesome. They are made of a lightweight, heat-resistant nylon that makes food handling a breeze. And once you have these, you're not gonna want to not have them. Now, these meat claws are super versatile. You can use them for almost anything. They have a really cool construction where they actually click together. There are two little notches here that allow them to be stored together like this. All you have to do is just pull them apart and you've got them. Now, these fingers can be used for shredding pork, from shredding chicken, and also they can be used for lifting a big roast out of a pot. They can be used for lifting a turkey out of a big basting pot. Lots of applications for them. They have a really comfortable finger grip and lots of space inside for your fingers to be. They've got a really nice curve to them here, and they fit your palm really well. Now, these claws are sharp, so they will work really well for grilling your meat. Not only are they really resistant to heat, you can also put them in the dishwasher so you don't have to hand wash them. The convenient locking mechanism means that they will store super easy in your drawer and not take up a lot of space, but be ready for you whenever it's time to shred the meat. These heat-resistant claws are definitely a must-have for any grill master. Use them for shredding meat, lifting roasts. Heck, you could even use these to toss salads. So if you are looking for a great accessory to hand off to your grill master, these rugged and versatile meat claws that are heat-resistant and super comfortable are definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.